Welcome back to my channel. If you're an avocado lover, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 5 mistakes you must never commit while eating avocado. Avocados are a superfood packed with nutrients. But there are some common mistakes that can prevent you from getting the most out of them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Overeating avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart and overall health. However, they are also calorie-dense. One medium avocado has about 234 calories and 21 grams of fat. While these fats are healthy, consuming too much can lead to an excess calorie intake. This can contribute to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. Aim for 1 serving, which is typically 1/3 of a medium avocado, or about 50 grams. Mistake number 2. Ignoring ripeness. An underripe avocado is hard and lacks flavor, while an overripe one can be mushy and brown inside. To pick the perfect avocado, give it a gentle squeeze. It should yield slightly to pressure. Another tip is to check under the stem. If it's green underneath, your avocado is ripe and ready to eat. If it's brown, the avocado is likely overripe. Ripen avocados at room temperature and once ripe, store them in the fridge to keep them fresh. Mistake number 3. Throwing away the seed and skin incorrectly. Avocado seeds are packed with antioxidants and fiber. While eating them directly isn't common, you can dry and grind the seeds into a powder to add to smoothies or other dishes. This powder can provide an extra boost of nutrients. As for the skin, it's great for composting. Composting avocado skins adds valuable organic matter to your garden, helping improve soil health and plant growth. Mistake number 4. Not storing avocados properly. Whole avocados should be kept at room temperature until they ripen. Once they are ripe, store them in the fridge to extend their freshness. If you've cut an avocado and want to save the rest, sprinkle the exposed flesh with lemon or lime juice. The acid helps slow down the browning process. Then store it in an airtight container or wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge. Mistake number 5. Avoiding avocado because of its fat content. Avocados are high in fat, but it's the heart-healthy monounsaturated fat that can lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that people who regularly include avocados in their diet tend to have a higher intake of essential nutrients and overall healthier eating habits. So, don't be afraid of these healthy fats. They're beneficial for your body. There you have it. Never make these 5 mistakes again when enjoying your avocados. By keeping these tips in mind, you can make the most of this delicious and nutritious fruit. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.